Okay, so in the interest of making things really clear, I went ahead and put all of these values, everything that you just did, into a spreadsheet in Excel so that we could see how this works real quickly. So here was my original balance and my 1% interest. I told the computer to add these two together and then subtract $20, and that's what I got. And I had the computer continue to do that. Calculate 1% interest, add the two, subtract $20, etc. In the end, let's look. My balance is $884. I really haven't made much progress. I had these columns add up, and I can see that my total interest payment is $113.17. And altogether, 20 times 12 is 240. I made $240 worth of payments. So had 100% of those payments been applied to my balance, if every month I wasn't paying these interest fees, if I was just paying the full $20, I shouldn't owe this much. I should only owe $760, right? 1,000 minus 240 comes to 760, but I actually owe quite a bit more than that. I owe $884 because my entire $20 was not going towards my balance. Only a portion was going towards my balance. I had to pay $113 just in interest. So this is a pretty dismal situation. I really haven't made much progress. I've sure paid a lot of money in interest. I didn't get to spend anything with this money. These are just fees. So let's take a look at what would happen. I'm going to clear this out, so these numbers are going to change. Let's take a look at what would happen in my next scenario if I changed these to $100. So here we go. If this is $100, let's look at how this situation changes. So look at this. By the time I get to month number 11, I don't even owe $100 anymore. I only owe $58.40. And so I've paid this thing off. My interest is significantly lower. That only is less than $59 in interest. So that was an improvement, right? I was able to get this paid off much quicker. Now let's look at our third scenario where it is a $200 a month payment. We're gonna find that this goes even faster. So 200, 200. Oops. Wrong way. Oh look, I didn't even need to go that far. When at the end of 5 months, I only owed $30.81. Let's just pay that off. Oops, sorry, I'm trying to do too many things at once. $30.81. There we go. I've paid this off in 6 months, and you know what? It only cost me $31 in interest. So the moral of the story is, if you have to use a credit card and you're not able to pay it all off at once, maybe it was an emergency, you want to try to pay off as much as you can, because interest on a credit card balance is compounding, meaning that every time you are charged interest, it will get added to your balance. And therefore, it's gonna make it very hard to get this thing paid off if you're not making a big payment to pay off both your balance and your interest. So you want to pay off as much as you can.